Okay, now we saw how the current comes till your house. Now let us see inside the house how the wiring is done. The most common method used now is the ring system. Let us see what I mean by the ring system. Now here you can see that from outside 3 wires are coming, live, neutral and earthing, through the MCB. MCB was there in our distribution box. Now outside the distribution box we will see what happens. Now what first we do inside our house, entire in the circle we will, or in the rectangle closed loop, we will fix a live wire, then the neutral wire and then the earthing wire. You can see over here there are 3 rectangles, or you can call it as squares. They're looking more like a square, blue color, then the dotted ones and the again minute dots. That is for the live, then the neutral and the earthing. Now from the MCB, now the wires which are coming, live wire will be joined to that live wire ring, neutral wire will be joined to the neutral wire ring, and the earthing wire will be joined to the earthing wire ring. Okay, so this very simple connection. Okay, first you have to rotate all the 3 wires in your house. एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट से लेके पूरे घर में घुमा करके वापस उधर लेकर के आ जाना है, क्लोज्ड रिंग. सो लाइक दिस 3 rings will be there for each of the wire, and then what is coming from the distribution board, just connect them to those particular 3 wires. So now this you have given the connection to your house. Now then what is done? Now suppose I want to put one lamp, like you can see there is one lamp at the top. Okay, now this lamp will, what we will do from lamp, again there are 2 terminals. So one terminal will go through the switch, and from the switch it will go to the fuse, and it will be connected to the live. Okay, so the live wire will be connected to the one terminal of the lamp via the fuse, via the switch, and the other terminal will go to your neutral. There is no earthing. See, there are 2 types of sockets. One has got 3 holes and one has got only 2 holes. Those which have got only 2 holes, they do not have earthing. Those which have got 3 holes have got earthing. We will study about this in detail. Only remember that the appliances which use very little current, the danger is less, and that is why earthing is not provided over there. Now you come to one socket. Now 3-pin socket is shown. Socket means the one which has got holes, that is known as socket. So there is a socket having 3 holes. The topmost hole is known as the earthing, and the earthing wire is joined from that top hole to the earthing wire. Then you have the live via the switch and the fuse, and you have the neutral. So like this you have connected a socket. Now what you can do, in this you can put a plug, a 3-pin plug you can put, and with that plug you can connect one microwave, you can connect a mixie, whatever you want. Okay, now also they have shown a fan. Now fan also has got only 2 pins, so there is no earthing, there is only live wire and neutral wire. Always live wire will first have a switch, because current electrons are going to come through that only, and after the switch there is going to be a fuse. So if there is any problem in the fan, or there is any problem in the socket, or any problem in the bulb, what will happen? The moment you on the switch there will be a problem, so the fuse will go away. So when the fuse will go away, now this circuit of the lamp will be broken. So lamp will not work, but other things are going to work over here. And then you can again, and so many, here they have shown you total 4 connections, one for the lamp, one for the socket, one for the fan, and one is just going to the other appliances. Wherever you want you can connect it. So basically what is the concept? You are going to put rings of all the 3 wires, and from wherever you want just join that and use the appliances from all the complete surrounding, from the periphery, पूरे perimeter में से, पूरे boundary में से जितने connections निकालने हैं निकाल लो, उधर उधर जोड़ दो wire. Okay, this is the ring system. Very simple and most commonly used nowadays. The best thing is that if one appliance is not working, it doesn't affect the other appliance. फैन खराब हो गया तो लाइट पे कुछ असर नहीं पड़ेगा, लाइट खराब हो गया तो फैन फिर भी काम करेगा.